YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Today we are talking garage door openers, and in this video we want to show you the step-by-step process on how to properly program your travel system. Inside the garage now, and this is the garage door opener. When I select it, you will see the garage door closed, and once it gets all the way closed, guess what? It's going to reopen. Take a look. And there it goes. So that's what we are experiencing, and we also need to lubricate, as you can see or hear. That's pretty obnoxious sound. So what we need to do is we need to get on a ladder and access the actual garage door opener up above. All right, YouTubers, very important step. Before we get on this ladder, make sure the ladder is properly positioned and set so you don't fall off. The last thing you want to do is fall off this ladder while you're up programming this. So let's climb the ladder. We are going to gain access to the actual buttons inside here to adjust your travel. This is a plastic case. Inside here, your lights. Carefully pull this open, and you'll notice it's blinking. Here are your adjustment buttons. You have the up button, the adjustment button, and the down button. You want to push and hold the adjustment button. It blinks. You'll notice the up button is illuminating. Push and hold until your door is all the way in the up position. Now, ours is already up. You heard a little bit of noise. And push and hold that. That light will blink. Now the down arrow is illuminating. We are going to push and hold the down button until the door gets all the way down to the down position that we desire. After it gets down, we're going to come right back up here and select that middle adjustment button. And I can do a few more adjustments with the button. There's the closed. I'm going to push and hold. The light blinks. Now the up arrow is illuminating or flashing. We are going to push and hold. We're going to open up the door all the way. And now the down arrow is flashing. This is the last step of the actual adjustment of your travel. When you select this, the door should go all the way down, and when it gets to the down position that we just programmed, the lights will no longer flash and the door will stay closed. Let's take a look. Check that out. Hands off the adjustment buttons. Those are completely adjusted. The door is finally closed and all adjusted in terms of your travel. Now, let's carefully reposition the plastic case in place, snap that together, carefully get off the ladder, and we are going to go to the actual garage door opener on the wall and open and close this door. However, we recommend waiting about 15 to 20 minutes prior to actually opening this door because your garage door opener motor is not used to making constant movements with the garage door opening and closing it. So give that little internal motor time to cool off. The last thing you want to do is reprogram this travel and then burn your motor out. So in about 15 to 20 minutes, we're going to meet you at the actual garage door opener and open the door. All right, YouTubers, it's been about 25 minutes. I went inside, did a couple things around the house, got something to drink, and now we're at the garage door opener. By selecting the opener, let's see how it works. I really need to lubricate that door. It's coming from that side. And in a separate video, I'll actually show you how to properly and carefully lubricate your track. So check that out. The door properly opened. You'll notice that the lights did not flicker or flash. And now I'm going to attempt to close the garage door. And if we did the travel adjustment properly, everything will be perfectly perfect and the door will stay closed. You'll hear the click by the actual garage door opener. That's it, YouTubers. We did it. That's it, YouTubers. See a pretty quick, friendly DIY project. Do us a favor below the video. You will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again for watching.